Hi, for this project we have all of this things set for the robot to be built. We have our gears and our screws, and we have all of this rails, and we also have the motors, everything is. Hi, so this is the robot in close view. We have all of our screws in place and our gears. We use the gears to control the tires. Right here we have the motor is connected to a big gear that's connected to two small gears. Those two small gears have more speed than torque from the big gear. That's why we're able to move the tires at a faster speed, because we generate more speed from the big gear since it's going to a small gear. The motors are connected to the two motors are connected to the two motor controllers, which are connected to the motor pins. We have the push button right here. And at the front, this is when you push something like that. The push button is connected to the digital pin because it is a digital device. And we have our battery pack. The battery pack is connected to the LCD and the Arduino Maker 2560. And the robot cannot work, the motors cannot work without the batteries, so we have the batteries connected always. So my code right here, I have my motors defined, and I have my button pin and my button valve variable, and I also have a start variable as the overall start system for the robot. I have my push button and my input pull up and my LED backlight working, and in this case I'm using my functions, and at the end I put all the functions in a loop. I have my backward function, alt function, the forward function. This forward function, I want the robot to move forward whenever the button is not pressed, and I wanted to read the value from the button pin because the button is a digital value, 1 and 0. So when the value is 0, I want the robot to keep on moving forward, and when the value is 1, I want the robot to stop, go back, and stop, and alt. This is my right turn function, my left turn function, and this is my loop where I have everything the way I want my robot to go in this maze. My overall start system is right here, and I want it to stop if the start is high. The major problems I encountered, I actually did sort of encounter a lot of problems with this code. I had changed my push buttons and changed the pins for the motors so many times, and I tried using the function method to get the code to work, and thankfully was successful. I had a bit of a problem with the while loop and the if statements because I thought they were basically the same thing, not realizing that the while loop is a loop. It just keeps on going. The if statement just rings once and it's not a loop. And that, and I had problems with this integer dyl val, but I was able to resolve that as well. And I had problems with the speed of the model and how to turn right and turn left. I had to change it so many times to get the perfect 90-degree turn and the perfect 180 turn at the end.